From Daily Forex, this is Chris, and I'm taking a look at WTI crude oil and nat gas, and you can see, man, is there a lot of mess on this chart. So you can see that 71.5 has been resistant 5 times now. The day on Friday just showed even more confusion because, let me clear this, I'm making a mess of this, because Trump said during the day that he was going to slap China with another 200 billion in tariffs before the meeting. I think there is support underneath, and ultimately we found resistance at 70, support at 68. So what does this tell me? The markets don't know what to do. They're very confused. There is tightening supply, but at the same time, there's worry about demand because of the China situation. I think we're going to continue to see a lot of back and forth choppy action. 67 underneath will be very supportive. And then, of course, the uptrend line. I think longer term, I prefer buying oil, but man, does it look just messy to say the least. Nat gas markets. Now, this is a much more interesting trade to me because I see so much in the way of support from 70 to 75, 270 to 75. And I think we'll see that again. This candlestick was pretty rough. We've had 2 shooting stars ahead of it. That's a very negative sign. But really at this point, I think finding a supportive candle in this area is a pretty low risk trade in the sense that the reward is so high. You could be going back to 295 as seasonality would dictate. Futures markets roll over. We'll be trading the December contract, which is generally pretty bullish. So, very interesting. If we break down below 270, then things get a little bit more dicey at that point. But I'm just simply sitting on the sidelines waiting for a buying signal.